The next document that we recommend is a healthcare and financial power of attorney. Now, the healthcare and financial power of attorney are legal documents that appoint someone else to make healthcare and financial decisions in the event that you cannot make those decisions for yourself. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, here's what I can tell you. Too often, our team are caught in situations where a loved one's had a stroke or they've had some sort of health condition, and the family member need access to their bank account or access to some sort of property, whether that be transferring a home out of their name so they can qualify for Medicaid and get into a nursing home, or maybe they just need to transfer the assets because that's what their parents wanted them to do. And what ends up happening is without the financial power of attorney, we don't have anyone legally able to transfer those assets. You know, a couple years ago, we were working on a case, and a lady had contacted me. Her husband had a stroke, and he had a business, and the business account was in his name only. And he had been using that business account to pay their family bills. So she contacted us and wanted to get the power of attorney. But because he had a stroke, he did not have the requisite mental capacity to execute the healthcare and financial power of attorney. And because he couldn't execute the instrument himself, it required us to get a guardianship. And so a guardianship is a legal process where the probate court appoints someone to be your legal guardian. Now, in her situation, it was just too much to do in too short of a time. She contacted us on a Thursday and then decided to, I think 2 weeks later, she was going to hire us, and her husband ended up passing away. And he passed away in the middle of her making the decision. We've had another client whose wife also needed a guardian because they didn't have the healthcare and the financial power of attorney. And as we were putting everything together so that he could be appointed as his wife's financial power of attorney, she passed away because the probate court is backed up with cases, and it was going to be almost 2.5 to 3 months before they could appoint him as the legal guardian.